the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.